Get out. Go. Go. The automobile. What is it comprised of? You got wheels, windows, doors, and you got license plates! So now's the time to get this put on there. Alright, so remember, we have 2 license plates. One goes in the back and one comes in the front. Somewhere. Install a license plate. Ah, I see. Is it one of those touch screens? It says here we need tools. And I know just where to get some. The basement. Alright, not a big deal. Just gonna come down and get some tools is all. Ah, the drill. Just the tool I needed. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Finally conquered my fear of the basement. Yeah. Oh! This is potentially a very bad idea. Tell my mother I love her. Yeah. Almost there. And that's how it's done. So what did we learn today? I'm not sure, but it looks pretty good, huh? Yeah! Looks good, huh? Looks strong. Ugly!